So let's say that we had a question that said if x plus 1 over x is equal to 5, then what is the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared? I want to find the value of this right over here. I want to know what this equals to. So pause the video and try to tackle this before we tackle this together. All right, so let me show you what to do step by step. So the first thing you want to do is you want to square both sides of this equation right over here. So let's square both sides. Let's take this and just square both sides. So that would be x plus 1 over x squared equals 5 squared, and 5 squared is just equal to 25. So 25. So we can expand this left side right over here by using the algebraic identity. You might be familiar with it. A plus B squared equals A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Now you don't have to memorize this. You can always just multiply it out. So let's do that. So x plus 1 over x times, and since it's squared, you just multiply it again by the same thing. X plus 1 over x times x plus 1 over x equals 25. Let's multiply the x by the x first. That gives you x squared. Now you multiply the x by the 1 over x. You get x times 1 over x. And so I'll write that plus x times 1 over x. And then you have another plus x times 1 over x plus 1 over x times 1 over x, which is just 1 over x times 1 over x. And this all equals 25. So let's simplify a little bit. So x squared is the same, but we know x times 1 over x, you could just cancel out, and you get this is equal to 1, plus the same thing here, x times 1 over x, you just do this, x times 1 is x over x is just 1. This is also 1, plus 1 times 1 over x times x, which is 1 over x squared. And this equals 25. So this is x squared plus 2, and that plus 1 over x squared equals 25. And what we wanted in the first place is x squared plus 1 over x squared, this part right over here. And you can see we have these two parts, x squared plus 1 over x squared. So all we have to do is subtract 2 from both sides, and you get x squared plus 1 over x squared is equal to 23. And so that is what this is equal to. This is equal to 23. This looked like a very extremely difficult problem. I mean, x plus 1 over x equals 5. How do we find this if we don't know what it's equal to? But if you just take it step by step and you multiply and you square, and all we did is we just expanded the left side of this equation after we squared it, and we got our answer as 23.